So today I'm talking about a P0597 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a P0597 code? Well, it's a thermostat heater control circuit open. And so what does this mean? Well, engines have a thermostat that controls the engine's temperature. These thermostats are mechanical devices that stay closed when the engine's cold, and then when they open up, this right here is going to open up. It's going to let coolant go past it, flow into the radiator, and then circulate through the whole engine, which is going to cool the engine. Many modern engines, they now have what's called an electronic thermostat. They still have that mechanical thermostat built into them, but they added in this heater element that's right next to that thermostat that's going to heat up and kind of trick that thermostat into opening, because usually that thermostat, it opens up based on the coolant temperature and what the temperature of the engine is. But with this heater element built in right next to it, the computer can control when that thermostat opens. And when you get this P097 code, the computer's seen a problem with this, and so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. The most common cause of this is going to be either that electronic thermostat's gone bad or the wiring going to it. There's a few different ways you go about troubleshooting this. If you have a multimeter, you can go test that heater element inside there. You can look up what the rated ohms that it's supposed to be at and go and check it and be sure it falls inside that range. These heater elements are kind of like a light bulb. If they burn out, then they go bad and they just don't work anymore. So if you don't get no reading, then you know it's bad. But if you have a multimeter, you can go and test that heater element. You can also check the wiring going to that heater element, usually 12 volts. Be sure to get schematics for your particular vehicle. That way you know for sure what's going on. But usually the computer is sent at 12 volts to it to make that heater element heat up. It's also going to be a good idea to go check for any blown fuses or anything like that. If you know that electronic thermostat is good, then you can go and get wiring schematics for that particular vehicle and go and check the wiring for any kind of open or anything like this. Because the most common cause of a P0597 code is going to be either that electronic thermostat's gone bad and needs to be replaced, or the wiring going to it. There can also be other causes of this, any kind of engine overheating or anything like that, or possibly like a bad coolant temperature sensor. Then that can sometimes cause problems also. Although usually if you have some kind of problem like this, like a bad engine coolant temperature sensor, then you're going to get another code. For example, like a P0119, Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor 1, Circuit Intermittent. If you were to also get this code, then there might be something else going on. That engine coolant temperature sensor might have gone bad. But the most common cause of a P0597 code is going to be either that electronic thermostat's gone bad, or there's some kind of issue with the wiring going to it. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0597 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.